right?
Very much somehow isn't it a paradox? Just last question. Like in the process of building influence, or we are doing our work or working on ourselves, and somehow our work gets visible.
A moment.
So ma'am, there is a slightest of chance that some or the other person would feel insecure.
Yes, of course.
तो हम उसको एकदम से नेग्लेक्ट तो नहीं कर सकते ना.
But that is why you have to build allies, na? And as your number of allies increases, you can slowly increase your brightness. You have to take everyone with you. If you are a villain who takes out a bullet every time something happens, then you will also be the one just पे bullet लगेगी.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
what. So slowly as your number of allies increases, you can start shining because now you have that support group. But as a newbie, you cannot. And the main point is don't outshine your master. Your peers should not feel insecure. Abhi juniors to thoda insecure honge, right? But it's not about what you do. It's rather about how you present it. If you say that I am the only one who's responsible for my success, everyone else will not like you. But when you say that I attribute my success to my family, to my boss, to you take the names of your team members, you take the name of the peon in your department, no one will feel threatened कि अरे इसके सक्सेस में तो अपना भी कंट्रीब्यूशन है. This person always gives credit to me, makes me feel happy about my own competence. So it's not like, see, when I am telling this to you, it's not like this is something new that I am teaching you. Mahabharat ke time se hai. We know this since that time. It's just that I am putting it in a proper format and bringing it to your notice. You might have heard this in your childhood. So I cannot take credit that I have taught this to you. The source is right here, sitting with me. So imagine if I say that this was my session. I did this. I taught this. Would you like it? No. This is Robert Greene's hard work from Prince Niccolo Machiavelli and all those stalwarts who have been there, my coaches who have taught me how to teach, and my husband who's supporting me by taking a call in some other room so that I don't get disturbed in session. Everyone's joint effort is there here, right? If I take just credit for me myself, that would be wrong. And all of them will not support me because they are not getting any credit. Why would they support me? So this happens in the workplace.
और वाइस वर्सा भी है ना मैम, कि जैसे कि हम किसी हमारे जूनियर को किसी को हेल्प करे, उसमें मेहनत करे उसके प्रोजेक्ट वर्क में, और वो हमें एक्नॉलेजमेंट ही ना दे, तो हम भी दूसरी बार उसे हेल्प नहीं देंगे ना. तो इट इज अ
Exactly.
मैटर ऑफ एक्नॉलेजमेंट कि आप किसी का वर्क कैसे एक्नॉलेज कर रहे
Yeah. So don't do to others what you don't want to get done to yourself. You work for a junior, you guide your junior, and when they get success, they don't give credit to you. Next time they'll ask for help, you will not give them help. We appreciation is always good. People pleasing is a negative word. People pleasing is pleasing someone while sacrificing your own soul or your own happiness. That is wrong. Telling someone that you have worn a good dress today or your hairstyle is good is not people pleasing. But you can see that it is horrible, and still, if you say it, then it is people pleasing. If it is good and you are saying it, it is compliment. But if it is horrible and still, if you are saying it, it is people pleasing. That's the difference. So, compliments always welcome. Try to find out genuine things, compliment on it. Okay, I know there are some situations where if you think of boss, तो people pleasing करना पड़ता है, but let's keep it as minimum as possible. Okay? Okay. Any other questions or anything? No? Fine, then I'll end today's session on that note. See you all again in our next Ethical Power Live. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for joining this series on first law of power. Next week we will continue with second law of power, and if you are enjoying these lessons, subscribe and turn on notifications. If you would like to join our live Zoom sessions and community discussion, comment I am in below. See you in the next session.